Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT J5, and today I will show you how to bypass the Google verification screen. So you can see the device in front of me is already locked, and without the proper email and password for it, I cannot bypass this or proceed with the setup. And to bypass this, we'll go to the first page. And before we get started with this, you will need a SIM card in the device that has a contact saved on it. So then you want to go into emergency call and tap the emergency information 2 times. And you already see that I have a number here, but what you want to do is tap on the edit button, which is the pencil, and just do this so it looks basically the same. So you will see that kind of screen. And from here you want to tap on add contact, and that's basically what we needed the SIM card for. So as you can see, there are contacts on the SIM. Choose some kind of contact, it shows up right here, and you want to tap on it again and tap on 3 dots and select share. Now it will give you a couple options. Now what you want to select is Gmail. Now instead of tapping on it, you will hold it. It will give you a different option like app info. So tap on it, then select notifications. Let's see. Oh wait, no, not notifications, my bad. Or is it? It should be right here. See, there we go. So I needed to enable. So show notifications, and from here tap on advanced and additional settings in the app. From here again tap on the 3 dots and select help and feedback, and describe your issue. You want to search for Morse code, so use Morse code like so. And as you can see, there is a video, so you want to tap on it. Now, because for some reason the screen is a little bit small, you want to flip it in the landscape mode, like so, and we'll flip over. And as you can see now, there's a little clock icon for watch later. So you want to tap on it, and it will take you to Chrome browser. From here, just tap on accept and continue, and no thanks, we don't want to log in. And from here, tap on the search field and search for or navigate into HardReset.Info website. Like so. And now tap on the 3 bars up here. That will pull up the menu and select download. Yeah, so in a download search field, you want to search for Android 8. Like so. And you should see FRP bypass, Google account protection bypass. Tap on download. From here scroll down, and again you will find a download. So click on it, continue, and allow. Tap on OK, and it should download, and then you can just tap on open. Now before we can install it, we need to allow Chrome to actually have access to unknown sources. So allow from this source and then go back. And as you can see now, install is possible. Tap on it. And once it's installed, we just want to open the app. Okay, so let's tap on open. And from here, select Google Account Manager APK, and it should say install for version 6.0. And once again, before we can install it, we need to go into the settings and allow this from this source and go back. And tap on install. And this time, once it's installed, we just want to click on Done. Done. And now I'm gonna choose the other one, which is bypass FRP, and select browser sign-in. And from here, tap on the 3 dots and select browser sign-in. Tap on OK and log in with your existing Google account. If you don't have one, you can always create one, as you can see right here, but I already have one, so I'm just gonna log in with it. Tap on next. Yeah, and from here I'm gonna put in the password for this account. And then tap on sign in. And we should be back in the FRP bypass. So what we want to do now is hold power key and select restart. Let the device restart and we should be then back in the setup screen. But this time around we should be able to just bypass the verification screen without any problem. And then from the home screen we're gonna perform a hard reset of the device once more to remove any kind of leftover from the previous account. Yeah, so let's go to the setup. Now at this moment it doesn't really matter what we choose, we just want to go to the setup fairly quickly to gain access to the home screen. So as you can see, we're now on the home screen. So let's go into the settings. Then go all the way down to system, tap on advanced, and you should find reset options and select erase all data, factory reset, confirm it, tap once more, erase everything. And once the device is basically back in the setup screen, you can set up your device as however you like, and the process will be then fully finished. The device should be at that point fully unlocked. So let's wait through the reset of the device, and yeah. Okay, and as you can see now the process is fully finished, and you can set up your devices however you like, and it will be fully unlocked. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.